So this is how much money I've got with this last week, guys, and if you just follow this example, you can do the same thing, guys. There's a lot of money in today's strategy, so hit that subscribe button and let's go into it. So just like these people here, guys, you can see the withdrawals, okay? So these are like tiny withdrawals, but there is a lot of money on this website. It quickly accumulates, so you can see that there are payment options like Bitcoin, Perfect Money, and trust me, there's a lot of money you can make. And all that you have to do is to watch the videos. So the website is called followfast.com, and you can just earn money liking pages and advertise your own pages. But of course, you can as well watch some videos, and you can like, for example, Instagram posts. I'm gonna show you all about it so you can see Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, whatever, guys. So first of all, just click on the join button, and of course, this method works all around the world. It doesn't matter if you live in Africa, Asia, Europe, wherever you live, you can get that money. And I really mean, guys, a lot of money. So when you click on that join button, just to complete this simple information about yourself. It is pretty simple, pretty much self-explanatory. Email, username, location, and just click on the join button. So when you come inside, you can see that there is a lot that you can do, okay? So you can choose whatever you want to, guys. You can just go and like pages, like photos, like Instagram posts, and of course, you will get these points. As you can see right now, I have 400 of these. So now what you can do is you can just go and you can just choose the platform on which you want to get that money, okay? So whichever one of these you choose, you can watch YouTube videos, you can like posts, whichever one of these choose, you will get a lot of money for it. And of course, once you're satisfied with the amount of money that you've got, you just click on this beautiful cash out button here, and then you can choose Perfect Money or Bitcoin, whatever you want, guys. There's even PayPal available, so you can do that as well. And trust me, guys, it is really simple, really easy. Just watch videos, like something on YouTube, on Instagram, Facebook, whatever, and get that money. Of course, if you want to get that Bitcoin, you will need a wallet such as this one, Atomic Wallet. I love it because it is nicely rated on Trustpilot. As you can see, 4.4 out of 5. There's also Coinbase, Binance, Blockchain, or you can go to bitcoin.org and you can choose your wallet with these 4 simple questions, okay? So these guys will ask you 4 simple questions. So first one is, what's your operating system? You can just answer that, pretty much self-explanatory. Second, how much you know about Bitcoin? Click on new if you're beginner, experienced if you have some experience already. Now the next question is, which criteria are important to you? And this is one which you have to check. Fees. This is really important, guys, because you don't want to waste money on those fees. So fourth question is, what features are you looking for? So two-factor authentication is always good. You can choose that. Click on next, and then you will be recommended this wallet. For example, Electrum wallet. In this case, it is a really good wallet. You can visit the website right away and maybe choose this wallet. But in the end, whichever one you choose, you can get that Bitcoin or you can get that cash, whichever one you prefer. And of course, hit that subscribe button right now, and thank you for that. Now, the next website where you can watch some videos is called cointiply.com. You can find it over on Google Play as well, and you can just lay down on your couch and you can just pull it out and do these offers, okay? You can see that it is very nicely rated on Google Play, guys. Pretty much good. And here you can actually turn your time into money. But of course, as I've told you guys, watching videos is maybe the best one. I really like to watch videos, but the thing which I really like on Cointiply is also that you can get up to $5 for every online survey that you participate in. So $5 for every survey, that's a nice option, guys. That's a lot of money when you think about it. Now, Cointiply on Trustpilot, guys, 4.1 out of 5. Some really good comments here on Trustpilot, and people really get a lot of money. Wonderful app, legit site. Cointiply really works. Cointiply is the bomb. So people really love it. Really love Cointiply.com, and how wouldn't they, guys? Just take a look at this. Look at how many users they've already got, and just take a look at these features, guys. I like this one. Loyalty bonus for you, 100% increase to your earnings if you log in each day. And that's some free money, guys. Always take that free money. You just have to log in. Each day you log in and you get that bonus, okay? There's also these fast payments, and which I really like. And of course, there is 25% for referrals. So invite your family, friends, members, and all that you have to do is to just sign up and start getting that money. Now, when you log it inside, this is how your dashboard is gonna look like, okay? So I know it looks like pretty confusing right away, but trust me, you will quickly get around it really easily, guys. When you want to come and when you want to watch those videos, just click on this option, earn coins, and there it is. Watch videos. That's the best option. You can get money on your phone as well, and you will see here that there are a few options. So there is Hideout TV, there is Loot TV, Playtime, and Jungle Survey. Now, I like Hideout TV. When you click on it, you will be redirected to hideout.co, and here you can just watch yourself Way to Riches, okay? So whatever you want, you can just put the video on and you can just leave it in the background, okay? So you can just like put this video and you can do something else in the background, okay? You don't have to watch the entire video. Nobody's gonna ask you what was in that video. You just have to put it run, whatever it is, and then just come back and collect those profits, okay? But of course, you can search your favorite videos on Hideout. So if you like certain section, I don't know, you have these categories. If you like pet clips, click on that, and then you will be served with all of these pets videos. If you like to watch that, you have numerous videos, and you can get a lot of money with them. Now, one more thing which I like about Cointeply is that they have these PDC ads, and PDC ads, it is really simple, guys. You just have to go and, for example, view something for 7 seconds, and you will earn certain amount of coins. So you can just view, click on view, you will be redirected to a web page which is being promoted on Cointeply, okay? So certain people are promoting their web pages, but you don't care about what is on this website, okay? You don't care what this is. You just be here for 7 seconds or how many seconds they wish you to be on, and just validate your click, and then you can see your view has been recorded. That's it, you've got that money. And then you can just go, just like a look at how many of these there are. Really a lot of money is on Cointeply, guys. And when you want to get paid, just click on activity and payments, withdraw coins, and here you can as well withdraw to your Bitcoin wallet, withdraw to your Dodge, Dash, Litecoin, whichever option you prefer, and then just go and select a few of these other ones, okay? Playing games maybe isn't bad for getting some money as well. You can just play those games. There are numerous games, and you can get some money like that as well. Now, this one is called superpay.me, and it is exactly that. It pays you a lot of money, PayPal, Bitcoin, whatever, and just take a look at this. Videos is what we want. That's the easiest way, guys, and I suggest that you combine few of these platforms in order to maximize your profit, okay? So just join on superpay.me. You will have this free joining bonus as well, and you can as well see that superpay.me on Trustpilot has 4.6 out of 5, and that's pretty good, guys, even better than Cointeply. There are some nice reviews about this one as well on Trustpilot. You can see the comments, guys. The best sites for surveys. This guy likes to do surveys, and you can do that as well. Basically, the more time you invest in this method, the more money you're gonna get, just like these people are. If you click on payments, you will actually be able to see how much money these people are withdrawing, okay? $35 here and these little amounts, but just take a look at this, guys. 42 pages of these payment proofs. So this really speaks for itself. And then, of course, just like these people are, invest your time into it, and it's gonna be very profitable, guys. Just invest your time. Nothing is gonna come on its own, and then just collect those profits. Go and do it, and I will catch you.